Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean verbs. So, let's start. First one is the Korean translation of the verb to lock, and that is 잠그다, 잠그다. Next comes the Korean verb for to repair or to fix, and that is 수리하다, 수리하다. Now let's see the translation of the verb to use in Korean language, and that is 쓰다, 쓰다. Next comes the verb to have or to own or to possess, and that is 가지다, 가지다. Now let's see the translation of the verb to bite in Korean language, and that is 물다, 물다. Next comes the Korean translation of the verb to start, and that is 시작하다, 시작하다. Now let's see the Korean translation of the verb to hug or to hold, and that is 안다, 안다. Next comes the Korean translation of the verb to whisper, and that is 속삭이다, 속삭이다. Now let's see how to say to cut or to chop or to slice in Korean language, and that is 썰다, 썰다. And the last one is the Korean translation of the verb to respect, and that is 존경하다, 존경하다. Okay, so today we learned 10 very easy and important Korean verbs. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.